For creating the slump shape train, you can simply use a slump. It's create a train like this. It's very simple. You can change the slump scale mountain if you want it. And here we have a noise style because as I said before, these are creating from the height map and noise. And as you can see, we have a different noise to create a different 3D style here. Or slump type, no B or C, and after that you can change it randomly to create a random 3D. And you can create a train, something like this if you need. Something like this. Okay, it's very easy, and settings, it's here you can change the default, or you can remember the settings that you want. I think it's like a mod shape train if you want. That you have to combine all of these nodes together to achieve your best results. Wait for our tutorial. We are finishing the geo primitives, and the next section we are going to the warp node for warping the all of the nodes. And after that, we're going to one by one all of these. And after that, you learn and you understand all of the nodes. We give you lots of examples to understanding. The Gaea is this. These are its nodes, and you have to combine it to achieve your result. And after that, you export it and send it to your Unreal Engine, Unity, or Cinema 4D, Maya 3D Max, any 3D package. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.